This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you some products from JED Pool Tools. And if you're a homeowner maintaining your pool, these are affordable and high-quality products made here in the USA. You can get a copy of their physical catalog, and they also have an online catalog of their pool products. And since they've been making products for so long, they have some unique features along with their products. This is the deep mesh commercial leaf rake. You can see on the bottom there's a handhold here. So when you empty out the debris, it's easy to empty out and you're not actually grabbing the net itself. I also like this unique aluminum handle. You can see that it's much more elongated than most leaf rakes. Another nice feature is that you don't have to push down on these clips to put it on your pole. You actually have this here, and then you slide it on the pole and this will push this V-clip down. And here's a couple of their trichlor floaters. If you want to disguise your floater, this frog one is pretty good. It's also a high capacity floater. You simply punch out the different holes here for how much trichlor you want to release in the pool. They also make a lineup of vacuum hoses, and I really like how light their hoses are. And this is their commercial series vacuum hose, and it comes in different lengths. And this is a 40-foot hose. I think this is a perfect size hose for most pools in Southern California. One of the nice features of this hose is that this cuff swivels. This will make it really easy to maneuver your vacuum in the pool. And they also make a variety of vacuum heads. This one here is the Pro 19-inch flexible pool vacuum. On the bottom are these brushes that help loosen up dirt and debris. You also have the spring aluminum handle. And again, the V-clip has this tab here to make it easy to connect to your pool pole. And this is their 14-inch Pro Vac. And here's their standard trichlor floater, and it has this notch on the side so you can tie it to your skimmer. Another nice thing is a safety tab. A lot of times kids can easily open the lids of the trichlor tablets and access them. They can also fall into the pool, so the safety tab is a great idea. It also keeps this lid firmly on. And you can see this is clearly marked where to lock it and where to unlock it. And you can hear the locking mechanism snap in as well. This will keep the 3-inch trichlor tablet secure in the floater. It's also dual layered, so this red insert acts as a safety device as well. A lot of times the trichlor tablets will eat through the bottom of the plastic and then they'll fall into the pool. So having this extra layer in here is a great way to protect your pool from trichlor tablets falling in and staining it. So if you're looking for high quality equipment or accessories for your pool, JED Pool Tools is a great place to go for them, and their products are made right here in the USA. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.